Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie and this is Texas Girl DIYs. Today's video is in part of the Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami the Latina next door, and her co-host this month is Hayley from the Farmer and the Southern Belle. I will be linking both their channels down in the description box below, and then when you're done with this video you can scroll down. There will also be a link to the playlist that will lead you to all the other creators in this month's challenge. So let's get started on this DIY.
I'm going to go ahead and start with this glass vase I had picked up from Dollar Tree. You might recognize it from my Dollar Tree haul. And I'm going to use these white hydrangeas, also from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to take my wire cutters and clip those off and then arrange them into the vase. I'll also be using these white roses that I had from one of my 4th of July projects, and I'm going to add those as well. My inspiration for this piece actually came from WAYFAIR, and I thought this was absolutely beautiful, and I could not believe what they wanted to charge for this, $74.99. I was like, what? Oh my gosh, I know I could make this for a heck of a lot less. Now I have this eucalyptus that I had picked up from Walmart. It was about $2 for that bunch, and I'm just going to use my wire cutters and cut a few sprigs and then add them to the flower arrangement. Now I know eucalyptus is not exact following to the WAYFAIR piece, but it is what I had on hand, so I thought it worked out perfectly. This arrangement was so easy to throw together, and I absolutely love the fact that I was able to do this with things that I happen to have on hand. So this, if I had to put a price on it, would only cost me $5 to make. And I think this would be so perfect for any centerpiece, whether it be for a wedding or just for your typical farmhouse decor. So this is how this turned out in the end, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and even better, I saved $70. How cool is that? If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to go down to the description box and click on that playlist so that you can hop on over to the next DIYer in the playlist. Also, linked down in the description box will be Yami the Latina next door's channel, as well as Hayley from the Farmer and the Southern Belle. Her channel will be down there as well. And I hope that y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye!